Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Shark Scrapper channel. Man, we've got a beautiful morning going on here. Look at that. We got some high clouds up there. Sun's coming up. 75 degrees. It should be a fun day for street scrapping. And we're going to start out with an ironing board. For anyone who's new to the channel, we are on a mission to help our planet by getting stuff out of the trash and into a reuse, resale, or recycle stream. Now, we're also helping out the planet by donating funds to the University of Miami's Shark Research and Conservation Project. We're doing that through the Shark Scrapper Shark Adoption Project. You can donate through PayPal at paypal.me/sharkscrapper or via the address that'll be in the description below. All right, let's dive in and find some scrap. You appear to be some sort of built-in oven range kind of looking thing. Bad angle on the bad angle on that. That's all right. Good. And you go there. Put you down here for a minute. Get you back over here. All right. Now then. Yeah. So this is a built-in microwave oven. Wall unit kind of thing. That's pretty cool. And I'm thinking you're a dishwasher. No. Yes, you are. Oh, that's interesting. You're like a double dishwasher thing. Well, you're metal casing, so this is dishwasher. We don't get to do the dishwasher dance that often, do we? No. That's why. Oi. I think we're just going to flip you upside down and slide you up in there. Now I'm going to put it up against here so the doors don't keep sliding open. There is an argument that says I should keep the doors open for small bits, but I don't think there's really that much room in those drawers for throwing a bunch of small stuff in, and I think they're going to be more trouble in the long run just if they keep flopping open and stuff. So, hello, little wormy. think we're going to put you in. Well, I can put you in either way there. Let's see real quick. These guys are not stainless. This stuff looks so high-end, I was thinking maybe that would be stainless. A lot of wire and stuff back there. I might want to put some scrapping on that before I take it in to get rid of it. I don't know, we'll see. If I leave you long-wise, I take up a lot of space that could be otherwise used for another appliance if I find one. So I'm going to flip you up. Not exactly the most stable arrangement because you've got the way you're structured, you want to fall down. Because see, it's got that space right there, so it wants to tip back again. So I'm going to throw a piece of line around it real quick. Can you all see that white heron bird out there? He's just looking for some frogs or something. Frogs, snakes, little fish, tadpoles. He loves to eat all that stuff. Fans, fans, fans. All right, you guys. Let's see. What are we dealing with here? Plastic ones break easy. I think we're just going to toss these in the back of the truck for the time being, because there's the G-Man. You guys are going to be a booger to take apart. You're all rusty. I have a feeling there's going to be some hammer action on you all. These are always fun. Well, not always fun, but they can be fun. Somebody ripped that one open already, trying to get it. Something, Lord knows. Maybe an animal was sniffing around in there. They were having a garage sale. Had a few things left over. Let's stick that on something and use that for a dumpster stick. Grill stop, so I need you. First thing we do, I had one of my viewers said that they were commenting about that they never saw people cutting these off. Well, now there you go. They're cut off. Now, I always cut them off. You just haven't seen enough of the videos, I guess. But you do want to cut them off because there's some good value there. Brass, aluminum, breakage if you don't want to mess around with taking them apart. Yeah, that's not too bad. I've seen worse. You're actually in pretty good shape. I wonder why they're getting rid of you. Because they don't like grills with socks on them, I guess. I don't know. Gets a little bit difficult when you have a bunch of stuff back here, jockeying stuff around for position. And we get you out of the way. Okay. Don't need to have that one tied in anymore. I do need to get you secured just so you don't tip backwards while we're transiting, because that would be a terrible thing. All right. I think what I'm going to do is one of those beards that comes down like that, you know, with the soul patch, is that what they call that? And then comes down like that. So I'm going to cut this part. What do y'all think about that? My wife wants me to, so Mama Shark say, Mama Shark get. I don't have room for the grill. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the regulator. Plates. Yep, can't get you. So that was some quick pickup, and getting back to this neighborhood is always tough because the G-Man is usually not that far behind me. He's already in the front part of this neighborhood, so I do not believe that I will be able to get back in time to get that grill. Oh, and what do we have here? Looks like some sort of dehumidifier or something. And do I want to come back for the cord? There we are. Yeah, we'll probably come back for the cord. This is mostly plastic, so I'm not going to bother to take the... There we go. There's one little motor in there. I'm not going to mess with it. Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great. Let's go ahead and get these guys bent so they're not hanging out the back of the truck. Herbie, what's up, my man?
How you doing today?
I'm doing great, bud. And you?
It's a day.
That's just cheating.
That is very much cheating.
I want to cheat. While I'm untying this, I have to show you all this. Got a call from Mrs. Shark, and she said that she made a prize for me, and it involved the oven. In honor of Shark Week and of the Shark Scrapper Shark Adoption Project, it's a shiver of shark cookies. Is this awesome or what? Just a quick reminder, if you want to donate to the Shark Scrapper Shark Adoption Project, where we're going to help the University of Miami Shark Research and Conservation Program by donating money to get sharks tagged and tracked, you can donate through PayPal at paypal.me/sharkscrapper. There'll be a link down below, or you can mail me a check, also with the address down in the description below. Don't forget to let me know if you want your name to be anonymous, because I'll be posting the results and stats boards periodically so that you all can see how we're doing. All right, let's get back to this unload. So I did an office pickup also on the way. Out the way. Come on. Out the way. You're staying with me. You can go. Hoo-yah! You guys can go. Farewell, ironing board. Come on, you. Let's go. Oh, I see what you're doing. I see what you hung up on. Will it boomerang back to me? No. But I made boomerang sounds. I made the boomerang noise. Ooh. Those are aluminum poles from like pool equipment. Well, not like pool equipment, but pool equipment. I'm not going to save the, because that's, I mean, that would make a pretty good stick maybe, but yeah. I don't do much stuff in the dumpsters anymore. If I'm in a dumpster, it's a construction site dumpster, and that's not going to do me any good. Oops, forgot about the plate in there, didn't I? Ah. Bad Sharky. Ready? Over the top. Well, we got over part of the top. But that was that sock that was left in that grill. That was funny. This dishwasher they will take because it's a metal body, unlike the plastic body dishwashers, which they take, but they dock you for the... Hey, did I cut your... Yeah, I got your cord. All right. You guys are staying with me. So we also... This was all the office stuff that I picked up. They're a profession that deals with people's private information, so they're very careful, and I am very careful with their stuff, even though most of that is nothing that has to be worried about. There's a couple things in there that I'll need to make sure are properly destroyed. All right. Yeah, let's go get some cash. A great big old megalodon size thank you to the folks that have donated so far. Bob Haplin, otherwise known as Thunderpig123, Angie McGrath. An anonymous donor, Laura Funches, otherwise known as Tinkering Twins, Boardsort.com, and Barry West. Thank you all very much. Right now we've got about $232 and some change because some of that was foreign currency that had to be converted. I really appreciate your donations. Remember, if you want to donate, it's easy. Just drop some money to my PayPal account at paypal.me/SharkScrapper or mail me a check at the address that'll be down in the description below. All right, everybody, there's also a link that's going to pop up. You to take it to more street scrapping videos. I hope you had a good time. I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, we are accepting donations for the Shark Scrapper Shark Adoption Project.